Understanding the Honor System, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, the honor system. This term is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning can help you navigate social, academic, and professional environments more effectively. Let's dive in and unravel the layers of this interesting concept. The honor system refers to a principle or arrangement where trust is placed in individuals to act responsibly and honestly, without strict supervision or regulation. This system is based on the assumption that people will adhere to a set of rules or ethical standards on their own accord, rather than being forced to do so. It's a concept deeply rooted in mutual respect and integrity. 1. Academic settings. In many educational institutions, the honor system is employed during examinations. Students are trusted not to cheat, even though there may be little to no monitoring. 2. Business transactions. Some small businesses or local stores operate on an honor system, allowing customers to take products and leave the appropriate payment, without a cashier. 3. Borrowing systems. Public libraries often use an honor system, trusting individuals to return borrowed books on time without enforcing strict penalties. The honor system is important because it fosters a sense of trust and responsibility among individuals. However, it also comes with challenges, as not everyone might adhere to the expected ethical standards, leading to issues of trust and integrity. The interpretation and application of the honor system can vary greatly across different cultures. In some societies, it is a deeply ingrained practice, while in others, more stringent systems are preferred. Understanding these cultural nuances is crucial for international communication and collaboration. The honor system is a testament to the values of trust and integrity in human interactions. Whether in school, business, or daily life, understanding and respecting this system can lead to more harmonious and ethical engagements. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing concept, and we look forward to seeing you apply it in your everyday English interactions.